Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to play Raft in Minecraft. First, you'll need to decide if you're using a mod or a custom map. For an easy method, a custom map designed for Raft survival is often best. These maps provide a pre-built environment, saving you time on setup. Gather basic resources like wood and food quickly. Your initial goal is to expand your raft and secure a stable food source. This approach makes starting your raft journey straightforward and fun. To begin, download a raft survival map from a trusted source and place it in your Minecraft saves folder. Once loaded, you'll typically start on a small wooden platform. Your immediate priority is to collect any floating debris or nearby resources. Use a crafting table to make a wooden axe and pickaxe. A fishing rod is crucial for food. Craft one using 3 sticks and 2 strings. Remember, every piece of wood is valuable for expanding your raft and crafting essential items. As you gather more wood, prioritize expanding your raft. More space allows for larger structures and farming areas. Build a small shelter with walls and a roof to stay safe from zombies and skeletons during the night. Next, focus on creating a sustainable food source beyond fishing. Craft a hoe to make farming plots for crops like wheat or potatoes. Remember to always keep an eye out for valuable resources floating by, as they are key to your long-term survival and progress. For advanced survival, building a water purifier is essential to avoid dehydration. You'll need a furnace, some glass, and a bucket. Explore any small islands you encounter, but be prepared for potential dangers and unique resources. These islands often hold valuable ores or rare plants. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Expanding your raft, securing resources, and exploring will lead to a successful and enjoyable Minecraft raft experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.